Hi, I'm Janet. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be swapping out the winter decor for spring. Inside my house, I usually keep everything pretty neutral, so I only have to change out a few items, which saves a lot of time and money. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're a returning viewer, please leave a comment. I would love to get to know more about you. If you're new to my channel, I hope you like and subscribe. Michael's had a 50% off sale on all their floral arrangements, and so I picked up a few pieces of lavender to change out the vases on the buffet table and my dining room table. Since I have an underlying coastal theme throughout the house, I found this beautiful starfish at Hobby Lobby, and I'll see if it'll work on the buffet table as a centerpiece. For those of you who are new, I'll take you on a quick tour of the dining room. This is what I currently have on the dining room table, and yes, I know it's an old table. I hope to refinish it or change it out because it's quite a few years old. That's the kitchen. And there's the underlying coastal theme that I was talking about. And here's my vintage buffet table that I refinished by myself and the current decorations on the buffet table. I also bought napkins and new placemats for the dining room table and a table runner to place on the vintage buffet table that I refinished this winter. I'll show you before and after pictures of it and show you how it's been transformed. I bought this vintage buffet table at a local antique store. It was gaudy, but I loved the style and it fit perfectly in the space. I've never refinished furniture before, but I gave it a go. I used my hand sander to rough up the paint before painting it white. It looks so much better, and I love to decorate it for the season. And here's the table runner that I found for the buffet table at HomeGoods, and it was $20. I think it has a more beachy theme and will hopefully go with the starfish centerpiece. Here are the placemats that I bought from Hobby Lobby. They're from Market Square. And I bought these napkins at HomeGoods because they were on sale and they're gray, and I thought it would go really well with the walls. And here's some napkins that I already had. However, after comparing the new napkins with the placemat, I think I may go with what I already have. I love to use twine to secure napkins. It's natural and inexpensive, and I just love the way it looks on the table. Now let's get started on the buffet table. I'm going to reuse these on the buffet table with the new table runner. And here's the table runner. I think I'll weave this in with the new runner. When I was at Hobby Lobby, I picked up another one of these in a same color, so we'll see if it ties in with the white. Here's the buffet table so far, but I'm not sure if I like the starfish laying flat. And I remembered that I had some of these plate stands, and let's see if elevating it makes it look better and gives it some height. So let's see how everything turned out. And here's the buffet table. I added the lavender to my vase, the new table runner from HomeGoods, the new sand colored beads from Hobby Lobby. I reused my winter runner to go on top of the new runner. I put my old starfish inside the new starfish and added it to a plate hanger. And here's the finished product. What do you think? Please leave a comment and let me know if you like it or if there's something that you would change about it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. My plan is to post 2 videos a week on Thursday and Sunday. However, I work full time and I help take care of my mom who has Alzheimer's, so I have limited time. So the videos on Thursday will be a little shorter if I get to post at all, but I'll definitely continue to post on Sunday. Until then, live life and find what makes you happy.